I started crying a little bit because I was like, I did it. All the sacrifice, all the issues, all of it was so worth it. My name is Hannah Garcia, and I studied early childhood development at SDSU. I am the first one in my family to graduate from college with their bachelor's, yes. I didn't want to continue the cycle. I wanted to break it. I wanted to prove to others that I can do it. My academic journey was actually really hard. My grandfather on my dad's side had just passed away from cancer. He basically raised me and my siblings. To me, that's my dad. Behind it all, I was really struggling. It was so hard. I miss him every day. It's his. I'm walking for him. I feel like I want to be that person in a child's life that they can come to if they need anything. Education opens up so many other paths.
It was so good. I'm not done.
I applied at SDSU to get my master's in early childhood education.
Hi, Dad.
Congratulations again.